Hey guys, it's Prince here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter of Honda City. And this is original Honda City air filter, still packed. So to change it, let's open the hood. And the air filter is installed in this box here, so let's find out how to do it. So to open it, we have to remove 4 locks, which I will show you in a second. So these are the 4 locks: 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we will remove mass airflow sensor wire so the wire doesn't stretch our brake. So let's see in detail how to open it. Just push this lock down and it will open. Same on this side. And to open the other 2 locks, you have to press outside to open it. Just like that. And it clicks back in just like that. And same on the other side, just press outside. Before opening the air filter box, we have to remove mass airflow sensor wire. And now you can just pull out the air filter cover and just put it on the side. And now you can see here the filter is so much dirty. Just remove it from the extra plastic piece which is there to pull it out. And look at that, it's so black and so much dust is trapped in it. If your filter is in this condition, don't clean it with compressed air, better change it with new one like I have here. Now let's open the air filter and I will show you how to install it. Just comparing these 2 filters, and look at that, it's so much dirty. Also always compare new parts with older ones to make sure you have the right part. And before installing the air filter, just clean the inside of air filter box with some cloth. And to prevent installing in the wrong way, there is an extra piece of plastic which fits in there. Just wiggle it to make sure it's all set. And don't forget to clean the upper cover of air filter. And don't touch the mass airflow sensor. Just fit the outer cover like that. And now close the locks in opposite way of opening. So just move it up with some force and it will lock and give you a click sound. And the other 2 locks, make sure you close it in the right way and it will give you a click sound as well when it's locked. And don't forget to install back the mass airflow sensor wire. And remember, the lock was on the upside, so just press it until it gives a click also. And that's how you change the engine air filter by yourself. And definitely don't compromise on engine parts like this filter. Always replace it. It's inexpensive. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. More awesome videos coming soon, so consider subscribing. Have a nice day and peace out.